In the journey of rebuilding connection with our children, sometimes the smallest moments carry the biggest weight. It's not always about saying the perfect thing. Often it's about being willing to listen, really listen, without rushing to fix or judge. Today, let's talk about the quiet power of being present, the magic hidden in everyday life, and how opening up ourselves can gently open the doors to our children's hearts too. Let's dive deeper into what true emotional connection really looks like. One of the most powerful tools to reconnect is quiet, patient listening. When your child does speak, or when they show you even a glimpse of their feelings, resist the urge to interrupt, lecture, or immediately offer solutions. Often, what a distant child needs most is simply to be heard. Let them vent about the tough day at school, or share their latest interest, or even sit in comfortable silence with you. Your calm presence, nodding, making eye contact, saying, I'm here for you, tells them more than any speech how much you care. Being present like this, without rushing to give advice or scold, shows your child that their thoughts and emotions matter. In those quiet moments, you're saying, I value you, all of you, just as you are. Deep heart to heart talks rarely happen by scheduling a serious chat on the calendar. Instead, the meaningful moments tend to sneak up during ordinary daily life. Keep an eye out for these natural openings. It might be when you're driving together on an errand and your teen suddenly murmurs something about feeling lonely at school. It could be while cooking dinner side by side, when your child's defenses are down and they share a small worry or a funny story. Even bedtime routines or a relaxed Sunday walk can become the backdrop for honest conversation. Avoid forcing it. If you sit them down with, we need to talk about your feelings, they may feel cornered and shut down. But if you're consistently spending informal time together, those windows of openness will come on their own. Be ready to pause, listen, and engage when your child chooses to open the door. Children learn how to express feelings by watching us. One way to invite your child to open up is by modeling openness yourself. Share a bit of your own feelings in an age appropriate way, especially if it relates to what they're going through. For example, if you sense your child is upset about a new school year, you might gently say, when I was your age, I remember feeling scared on the first day of school. I didn't know if I'd make friends, and it made my stomach hurt. Have you ever felt that way? By revealing a little of your own vulnerability, your worries, mistakes, or emotions, you show your child that it's okay to be human. You're not dumping your problems on them. You're carefully choosing to be real with them. This helps dissolve the notion that parents are perfect or unfeeling. When a child sees that you too have had hard days or big feelings and got through them, it reassures them that they're not alone or weak for what they feel. Your honesty can be the bridge that encourages them to share a sliver of their heart with you in return. Remember, connection isn't built through grand speeches or perfect parenting. It's built moment by moment, in how we listen without fixing, how we notice without forcing, and how we share our real selves with gentle honesty. Every time you choose patience over pressure, presence over perfection, you are telling your child, I see you, I hear you, I'm here for you. And that, more than anything else, that is what every child truly needs. If this touched your heart, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it forward. Let's raise a generation that knows what real love feels like, not just in words, but in quiet, steady actions. In part two of our journey to reconnect with our children, we explore the quiet power of deep listening, the magic hidden in everyday life, and how leading with our own vulnerability can create unbreakable bonds. It's not about forcing conversations. It's about being there, being real, and making room for our children's hearts to unfold naturally. Discover how simple, everyday moments can become the foundation for trust, openness, and lifelong emotional connection. Stay till the end for gentle reminders that true connection is built in the little things. If you find this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who believes in raising emotionally strong and deeply connected children.